Life is full of stress. From the moment we wake up, we are met with a barrage of responsibilities and expectations. The constant hustle and bustle of daily life can leave us feeling drained and anxious. We are constantly bombarded with demands and pressures. Our phones buzz with notifications, our inboxes overflow with emails, and our to-do lists seem never-ending. It's no wonder that stress has become a common part of our lives. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. The weight of our responsibilities can sometimes feel like too much to bear. We find ourselves struggling to keep up, and the pressure can take a toll on our mental and physical health. In these moments, we need an escape, a way to step back, take a deep breath, and find a moment of peace amidst the chaos. This is where the power of nature comes in. Lavender oil offers a natural solution. Derived from the lavender plant, this essential oil has been used for centuries for its calming properties. Its soothing aroma can transport us to a place of tranquility. Its calming aroma provides a sense of peace and tranquility. Just a few drops can create an atmosphere of relaxation, helping to ease the mind and body. The gentle scent of lavender can be a powerful tool in our quest for calm. Even a single whiff can help to melt away stress and tension. The simple act of inhaling lavender oil can have a profound effect on our mood, helping to lift our spirits and bring a sense of calm. Lavender oil is a gift from nature, offering a path to relaxation and well-being. Its benefits go beyond just a pleasant scent. It is a versatile and powerful essential oil with numerous therapeutic properties. Lavender oil is more than just a pleasant scent. It has been shown to have a range of health benefits, from reducing anxiety to improving sleep quality. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. It is a powerful essential oil with therapeutic benefits. Studies have shown that lavender oil can help to alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression, promote better sleep, and even relieve pain. Its natural properties make it a safe and effective option for those seeking relief from stress and discomfort. This oil can soothe both the body and mind. Whether used in aromatherapy, applied topically, or added to a bath, lavender oil can help to create a sense of calm and relaxation. Its gentle, soothing effects make it an ideal choice for those looking to unwind and de-stress. It can help to reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and even relieve pain. The calming effects of lavender oil can help to quiet the mind, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Its pain-relieving properties can also provide relief from headaches, muscle aches, and other discomforts. Lavender oil is a versatile and effective tool for improving our overall health and well-being. Whether used as part of a daily routine or as a quick remedy for moments of stress, lavender oil offers a natural and holistic approach to wellness. Embrace the calming power of lavender oil and discover a path to a more peaceful and balanced life. Lavender oil is a pure essential oil. It comes from the flowers of the lavender plant. The extraction process involves steam distillation. This method gently extracts the oil from the plant material. This ensures that the oil retains its beneficial properties. Lavender oil has a long history of use in traditional medicine. People have used lavender oil for centuries to treat various ailments. It is known for its calming and healing properties. Today, lavender oil is a popular ingredient in cosmetics, skincare products, and aromatherapy. Its ability to induce relaxation and improve mood makes it a sought-after natural remedy. My first experience with lavender oil was driven by a need for stress relief. I was exhausted from long, tiring days. Anxiety had become a constant companion. Friends recommended lavender oil, so I decided to give it a try. I began by adding a few drops to a diffuser near my bed. The effect was almost immediate. The gentle aroma of lavender filled the air. A sense of calm washed over me. That night, I slept soundly for the first time in weeks. I woke up feeling refreshed and energized. This experience convinced me of the power of lavender oil. A lavender oil offers a range of benefits for both the body and mind. One of its most well-known benefits is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. The scent of lavender has a calming effect on the nervous system. This can help to lower heart rate, blood pressure, and cortisol levels. Lavender oil is also an effective sleep aid. Its calming properties can help to promote relaxation and reduce insomnia. Many people find that diffusing lavender oil in the bedroom or adding a few drops to their pillow helps them to fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. Section 5. Scientific evidence. The benefits of lavender oil are not just anecdotal. For centuries, people have used lavender oil for its calming and healing properties. But now, modern science is catching up to these traditional uses. Numerous scientific studies have confirmed its therapeutic properties. Researchers have delved into the chemical composition of lavender oil, identifying compounds like linalool and linaloyl acetate, which are believed to contribute to its calming effects. Studies have shown that lavender oil can reduce anxiety and depression, improve sleep quality, and even relieve pain. For instance, a study conducted by the University of Maryland Medical Center found that lavender oil aromatherapy significantly reduced anxiety levels in patients undergoing dental procedures. These studies provide evidence that lavender oil is a safe and effective natural remedy for a variety of ailments. In addition to its mental health benefits, lavender oil has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, making it useful for pain relief. For example, a study published in the International Journal of Psychiatry and Clinical Practice found that lavender oil was as effective as the medication lorazepam in reducing anxiety symptoms. This is a significant finding, as it suggests that lavender oil could be a natural alternative to pharmaceutical treatments for anxiety. Another study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that lavender oil improved sleep quality in people with insomnia. Participants who used lavender oil reported falling asleep faster and experiencing deeper, more restful sleep. This research highlights the potential of lavender oil as a natural remedy for sleep disorders, offering a safer alternative to conventional sleep medications. Beyond anxiety and sleep, lavender oil has also been studied for its effects on pain management. Research published in the Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that lavender oil massage significantly reduced pain in patients with osteoarthritis of the knee. This suggests that lavender oil could be a valuable addition to pain management strategies, particularly for those seeking natural alternatives. In conclusion, the scientific evidence supporting the benefits of lavender oil is robust and growing. From reducing anxiety and improving sleep to managing pain, lavender oil offers a range of therapeutic benefits backed by research. As more studies are conducted, we can expect to uncover even more uses for this versatile and natural remedy. Section 6. Practical uses of lavender oil. Lavender oil is a versatile oil that can be used in a variety of ways. Derived from the lavender plant, this essential oil has been cherished for centuries for its numerous benefits and applications. Whether you're looking to enhance your well-being, improve your skin, or simply enjoy its delightful fragrance, lavender oil has something to offer for everyone. One of the easiest ways to enjoy the benefits of lavender oil is through aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is a holistic healing treatment that uses natural plant extracts to promote health and well-being. By adding a few drops of lavender oil to a diffuser, you can fill your living space with its soothing scent. Adding a few drops of lavender oil to a diffuser can help to create a calming and relaxing atmosphere in your home or office. This can be particularly beneficial after a long day, helping to reduce stress and promote a sense of tranquility. Many people find that the gentle aroma of lavender helps them unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Lavender oil can also be applied topically. When used on the skin, it can provide a range of benefits, from soothing minor irritations to promoting overall skin health. However, it's important to remember that essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with care. It is important to dilute lavender oil with a carrier oil such as coconut oil or jojoba oil before applying it to the skin. Carrier oils help to spread the essential oil over a larger area and reduce the risk of skin irritation. This makes it safe and effective for everyday use. When diluted, lavender oil can be used to soothe burns, insect bites, and other skin irritations. Its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties make it an excellent natural remedy for minor skin issues. Additionally, lavender oil can be used in homemade skincare products, such as lotions and balms, to enhance their soothing effects. Whether you're dealing with a pesky bug bite or a minor burn, lavender oil can provide quick and natural relief. Section 7. Pros and cons. Lavender oil is a natural and generally safe remedy for a variety of ailments. However, like any essential oil, it is important to use it with caution. Some people may experience skin irritation or allergic reactions to lavender oil. It is always a good idea to do a patch test before using lavender oil topically. It is also important to purchase lavender oil from a reputable source. Look for organic lavender oil that is 100% pure and therapeutic grade. This will ensure that you are getting a high-quality oil that is free from harmful chemicals and additives. Section 8. Frequently asked questions. Q. How do I use lavender oil for sleep? A. You can diffuse lavender oil in your bedroom before bed, add a few drops to your pillowcase, or take a warm bath with lavender oil. Q. Can I use lavender oil directly on my skin? It is best to dilute lavender oil with a carrier oil such as coconut oil or jojoba oil before applying it to your skin. Q. Where can I buy high-quality lavender oil? A. Look for organic, 100% pure, therapeutic-grade lavender oil from reputable health food stores or online retailers. Section 9. Conclusion. Lavender oil is a versatile and powerful essential oil that offers a wide range of therapeutic benefits. From reducing stress and anxiety to improving sleep quality and promoting skin health, lavender oil is a valuable tool for enhancing our overall well-being. Whether you are looking for a natural way to relax, improve your sleep, or simply enjoy a calming aroma, lavender oil is an excellent choice.